Hello everyone, a warm welcome to the session of Generative AI Study Jam. I am Jagna, the PI and Management Lead for the session and host for the day. I am here to give you a glimpse of what's in the store for the upcoming session. Today, we won't dive into the technicalities or hand-on learning. Rather, we will give you an overview of the exciting topics and activities that will unfold in the study jam. Generative AI making wave across the industries. And in the upcoming session, you will get to explore how it's changing the landscape of creativity and innovation. To provide you with more details and help you with the registration process, I would like to invite Sreyas Mohapatra, the cloud lead of the session. He will say you a quick insight into what's coming up and guide you through the next step. Sreyas, take it away.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, so among us, who are those who are doing this study jam for the first time? Can I see some hands raised? All right. Okay. Okay, got it. Got it. So almost it's everyone's first time. Not a problem. So there are a lot of things that you need to do before, like there are some prerequisites that you need to follow before starting the study jam. And this session is exactly for that. Some of the things that we need are the Cloud Skill Boost account, and we need to use that to register for the study jam. And the requirement of Cloud Skill Boost is that all the certifications or all the modules that you will complete during the study jam, those certification will shown in your Cloud Skill Boost account. All right, so let's start. Please stay focused on what I'm sharing and on what I'm showing, and things will go smoothly. So before going for this form, we need to start with this Cloud Skill Boost. So let's join the Cloud Skill Boost with our Google account. First, you need a Google account. You must be knowing that. So after joining this, you need to give your dates and everything. So, all right. So you can see all these paths and stuff. You don't need to worry about that. You can see your points. You can see here it's showing 0 credits. Is it visible? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
it
it
is.
is.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So here, after registration of those thing, it will show you the monthly subscription. But before that, not now, later. So after that, go. You need to go to profile, and you can see your profile is not public and accessible. So first, we need to make sure that our profile is public. So let's make it public. Okay. This link is very important. All right, remember this. Now let's start filling up the form. So this is the first page, page 1 of 5, and here we need to use our GDAC leads email, not ours. I repeat, we need to use our GDAC leads email and not ours. So we need to use that mail. After that, we need to accept the terms and conditions, and here you need to like fill up your details, like your basic details, like Rashma Patra, gender, institution name. You need to go for Institute of Technical Education and Research, ITER. I think it will be around here. Yeah, ITER, Bhubaneswar, India. So here you need to use a referral code. As you can see, it is required. So you need to use the referral code. Year of graduation, which year? I think most of you guys will give 2028 and later. Now click on yes, of course. Now here it is written that please verify that you have created a new account for Cloud Skill Boost on or after September 17th, 2024. So I know that most of you guys are doing this for the first time, so you don't need to worry about this. But those who are doing it for the second time, you need to make sure that you need to open a new Cloud Skill Boost account. Your old Cloud Skill Boost account will not work. So you need a new mail. You can take anyone's from your family, and you need to open a Cloud Skill Boost account from that mail. And for those who are doing it for the first time, you can use your own mail. No need to worry about that. Okay. So I think all will create now. So I don't think anyone will be there who has created before September 17th. So I verify and need to pay use your this account, this the Cloud Skill Boost email. You need to use your email here, and then you have to use your Cloud Skill Boost URI page in this page here. Sorry. All right. Here you have to use your Cloud Skill Boost profile, and before that you need to use your mail that you have linked with your Cloud Skill Boost account. All right. Then all this thing, and I don't think there is any more required. Then you click on submit, and there you go. The study exam form is completed. Now you need to wait for the study exam to start. And yes, there is a note that you can see. The submission of your form does not guarantee your participation to the campaign. So even if you have submitted a form, that doesn't really mean that you will be eligible to participate, or you will be, I mean, your form will get selected. So please make sure of that. And we don't control this thing. This thing will be verified by the GDG group itself. So the GDG sorry, the GDG global group. So we don't have anything to do there.
First of all, when after October 11 only, you will get access to your that unlimited credits. For that, you have to perform a task. From then only, you can have all the credits to do your modules. Okay, one thing to mention is that once you fill the form, please share your screenshot of the submitted part on the group itself so that we can have a track on.
Along with the name. Along with the name, please say your screenshot.
And don't confuse with the form that we have shared before, because that form and this form is completely different. That form was the selection of 120 students, and this form is from Google itself to give you the rights to their Google Cloud platform. Otherwise you can access, so you need to fill this form with your Cloud Skill Boost account. If anyone who is using the Google Cloud platform already and have some credits and have created the account after September 17th, then it's not a problem. But if the credits are there and you have created an account before September 17th, then there is a problem. So you need to make a new account for that.